This time the quick speed shop, I got Tony with me. It's part 2 of the Army Jeep. Alright, so here we go. We're backed up here. It's dried out a little bit. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get the winch out. We're going to winch that green Jeep on and see if the red one will go on behind it. But I don't think it will. We'll have to do them one at a time probably. But we're going to go ahead and get the winch hooked up and try to load the sucker up on here. Maybe I'll hold some air in the tires. We'll see what happens. Look out, here comes an airplane. It's coming. No, it's to hold air for a little while. Going up. Oh, this one's leaking as fast as it's going in there. Wow. No, the door handle doesn't work. Steer to the driver's side a little bit. Be alright, keep going. Leave it straight. Now when it gets on there, hang it to the left a little bit. Don't slip off. Keep going. No, it'll be alright. Steer to the left a little bit. Straighten it out. Brakes. Perfect. Look at that. How easy was that? Well, how easy was that? Man, it's like we know what we're doing. At least Tony was steering. We know what we're doing now. All right, here we go. We got to load it up. We're going to take the green one back and unload it, and then we'll be back for the red guy over there. All right, we're back for part 2. Got the green Jeep dropped off. Let's go ahead and try to wrestle this other red one up on here. I got enough cable? Leave it go that way for a while, then straighten it so the rear end doesn't hang on. And I'll cut it a little bit. Straighten it out a little bit. Straighten it out a little bit. I'll leave it going straight first. Okay. Together, huh? Yeah. As it rolls. What's this here? Evidence? Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, it's probably roll right over your truck or trailer.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
Sure.
Well, that can't be.
Piece of cake. You go down and get a flying start?
Yeah, I had to. It's a little soft right in the middle.
Yep.
We're rolling pretty heavy right here. Uh-oh. Oh, thought I heard it leaking. There's no warranty on these tires?
No.
Oh.
Right now.
It works pretty good. It's a lot drier here than it was a month ago.
Yeah.
This one's leaking good, I know that.
Yeah, you can't buy good stuff anymore.
No. Stopped at a garage sale on the way back and bought a traffic light on the way home with the other Jeep.
A traffic light.
For $20.
Is there anything else that you bring home?
I went and bought 6 35 Ford wire wheels this morning.
Oh yeah?
Then picked up a mattress frame, an old one, real old one, on the side of the road, all riveted together.
Bed springs, just springs. Can you junk them?
Yeah.
Got that and a little bit of stuff down there, not much.
You want me to take it with me?
If you want to.
I gotta go get some air, hold on. All right, I've compressed a bunch of air into these cans. Let's go compress it into these old tires. All right, we're good. Nice. All right, thanks Tone for the help.
Anytime.
More awesome Jeep projects here. He's going to get back on Project Why Bother. You can go ahead and look that up on the channel, or I'll put a thing up here. That's coming back together. But here I'm going to store these Willys Jeeps out back here for a while. And eventually I'm going to get working all three of them. I'm going to stage all three of them back here, and we'll pick which one to do. But that'll be in the future. All right, bam, there we go. Tony helped me get all three of these Jeeps backed in here. We used the lawn tractor and a chain and bojangled them around, and here they are, resting on my Mint AstroTurf. Gonna sit here until I start working on them. So I'm gonna go to the outro, but this was an awesome day. Saving these vintage military Jeeps. It's Memorial Day, so we took Memorial Day to think about fallen veterans and whatnot by dragging home some cool Army Jeeps and saving them, because these have done a lot of work for the country, and so have you people. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for your alerts. Tell your friends. Come on back for more rusty Jeep action and other stuff right here at the Quick Speed Shop.